We've been told that the path to a greener future is paved with new technology. That to save the planet, you need to trade in your old internal combustion engine for something with a zero emissions badge. But there's a hidden cost to starting over that the marketing brochures never mention. It's called embedded carbon. What if I told you that keeping your old, inefficient car on the road is actually one of the most sustainable choices you can make? That obsolete machine isn't a problem to be solved. It's a solution to a cycle of waste we've been conditioned to ignore. Every new car begins its life in a deep carbon hole. Before it ever drives its first mile, it has already been responsible for tons of CO2 emissions. Think of the massive energy required to mine iron ore, bauxite for aluminum, and the rare earth minerals for modern electronics. The heat of the blast furnace, the power for the robotic assembly lines, and the global shipping of parts from a dozen different countries. When you buy a new car, you aren't resetting your footprint. You're taking on a massive debt. It can take tens of thousands of miles, sometimes years of driving, just for a new, more efficient car to break even with the carbon cost of its own creation. An old car has already paid its debt. It's a carbon neutral asset in the sense that its manufacturing footprint is a sunk cost from decades ago. We focus so much on operating efficiency, miles per gallon, that we completely ignore systemic efficiency. If you replace a 20 mile per gallon car with a 40 mile per gallon car, you've doubled your fuel efficiency. That sounds great on paper, but if that new car only lasts 10 years because its electronics are unrepairable, while the old 20 mile per gallon car could have lasted 40 years with basic maintenance, which one is actually better for the Earth? Modern consumerism is built on planned obsolescence. We are encouraged to throw away complex machines because a sensor failed or a screen went dark. But true sustainability is found in longevity. Every year you keep an old car on the road is a year the Earth didn't have to provide the raw materials for a replacement. Maintenance isn't just a chore, it's an act of conservation. The green economy often feels like it's controlled by massive, distant corporations. But the most sustainable economy is a local one. When you repair an old car, your money stays in your community, supporting the local parts store and the local mechanic. You aren't demanding the shipping of a 4,000-pound object across the ocean. You're just ordering a small box containing a water pump or a set of gaskets. By choosing to fix what you have, you are opting out of the global replacement engine. You are proving that a high-quality machine, built with care and maintained with pride, is superior to a disposable gadget. We don't need everyone to buy a new green car. We need everyone to value the resources that have already been pulled from the earth. At the end of the day, environmentalism isn't about what you buy, it's about what you don't buy. Driving an old car is a form of stewardship. It's a refusal to participate in the take, make, waste model that defines our era. It's a quiet, oily, mechanical rebellion against the idea that everything is disposable. So, the next time someone looks at your old car and sees a clunker, remind them, the most sustainable car isn't the one with the newest battery, it's the one that refuses to go to the scrapyard. Hey everybody, as always, thank you for watching. If you have any thoughts, stories, or experiences, please share them down below. Also, I recently began selling these Drive Simple, Live Free bumper stickers. If you'd like to grab one and support the channel, you can find the link in the description. Thanks again, and have a good one.